When it rains, it pours. I'ma drown, of course. New doors open up to new whores. 5 bitches hopping in my 2-door. I don't know what to feel, I need more. Tryna fill this void, I need more. Open up your eyes to see more. Well, that's common sense. Don't know if you're on to it. On the real, I've been wondering. Yeah, and I've been wandering through the city of LA, it's astonishing. Shit, I'ma ball out, feel like Penny or something. I'm too drunk now, off the Henny or something. I don't know, but I'm doing plenty of nothing. Maybe I forgot it. Shit, I could've swore I had 200 in my wallet. I need to stop it, I don't win no shopping, I just cop it. All of this shit, it be new to me. Yeah, why your best friend sending news to me? That's your sister, well that's news to me. In the bedroom, what you prove to me? 2 girls at the same damn time, it's the best thing. It's the best thing. When this album drop, I'll be at the Eiffel Tower, sipping champagne, playing multi shit, you playing campaign. Cause you stick to the script, I do my damn thing. Had your bitch for the night, take your hoe off. Yeah, pull up to the club, I gotta show off. Yeah, VIP for me and my hoes. Yeah, bad bitches for my bad bros. Single for the night, yeah, you know what we on. Met her back at her place for the night. Next day I was gone. I'll give you a call back. Nah, I won't call back. If you play your cards right, then I might even pass. When it rains, it pours. I'ma drown, of course. New doors open up to new whores. 5 bitches hopping in my 2-door. Now I know what to feel, don't need more. Now I know what to feel, don't need more. Now I know what to feel, don't need more. Damn, I'ma go off. Nah, fuck that shit. I'ma save it for the next song. Yeah. Right.